Another great feature of the wiki, in addition to being able to edit any of the pages, is being able to upload files. So we can use this wiki almost as a file server with annotations on each of the pages. So if you look at the bottom of any of the page when you're logged in, you'll see a link for uploading a file. So let's click on that link, and this will bring us to a page where we can upload any file that's under 64 megabytes and isn't any of these prohibited file types. So these are file types that the web server doesn't really like and are just kind of a really big security risk, whereas some of these other files aren't as big a risk. Just looking at this page, once you upload the file, it gives you some tips on how you can embed the file in your page or link to the file directly. And just read through this, it's pretty useful, and let's upload a file. So the file I want to upload is it's a map of where the Denver chapter meets. It's an image file, and it's called meeting location. So let's just put a little summary here. So this is a map of where general meetings are held. So let's upload the file. Now the file is uploading. It takes a minute for it to be sent to the server from your computer. But once it's here, you'll see this is just from Google Maps, just a screen capture, and you can see where we meet on this map at Denver University. It gives you the file name, so this is the name that you would use to embed the file on a page, and just the summary you typed in, some basic information, and where the file is linked. So let's put it on a page. So I'm at the test page we created in another one of the tutorials, and I'm just going to add it as a cell in this page. So I typed out what we saw on the wiki on the upload page was the 2 square brackets file : and then the name of the file. And then I'm going to write vertical bar thumb to make it a smaller image. And I'm going to set the width to 250 pixels and put a caption of Denver General Meeting Map and save this page. And what we'll see when we upload, when this page refreshes, is the published page. So here's the image at 250 pixel width with the caption at the bottom. And when we click on this, it brings us back to that upload page, or the file page that we saw after we uploaded it. So now let's say I log in as another user and I want to upload a revision of this file. So let me just log in as another user. So now I'm logged in as myself. I was logged in as the general admin, and so you can see here this is my username, and I'm back at that same page I was at before. And now I want to upload a new version of this file. So I'll browse for the file, I'll look, and I have a meeting location revised. Visions to show I-25 exit. So this map is just zoomed out a little bit further so you can see I-25, and if you were taking that to get to the meeting, what exit you would need to take to get off to go to the meeting. So here, before the image was a smaller subsection of this image, and now it's kind of zoomed out a little bit. And we can see here that this is the current version that I uploaded, and we can revert back to this original version. So let's look at this test page to see which version it has. So this is where we embedded the image in a page. And we look down here, and this is the new version that I updated. So you can click on it, and it brings you back to the page. And if you wanted to revert back to the old, you can click revert here. So you can put in your reason for reverting back to it. And let's go back to the file page. And it just keeps a log of the different files that were uploaded and comments about what changes were made to the file. So this is a simple example of how you can upload a file, make revisions, and it would be really useful when reports are being edited by different people within the group and you want to keep track of the different edits on the wiki. So that's a good overview of how to upload a file, post it on a page, and make revisions.